Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nurul Hanifah dengan NIM 19210138. Today I want to talk about identifying the article from Group A, Class A2 Indonesian Language and Literature Education 2019. The member of group Lisda Siti Yuningsih, Nurul Hanifah, and Windy Wulandari Rahayu. The table of content is 1. Introduction, 2. Literature review, 3. Research method, 4. Result and discussion, and 5. Conclusion. The title is The Use of the SAS Structural Analytical Synthetic Method in Learning Indonesian Beginning Writing for Elementary School Student by Chandra Dewi, PGRI Madiun University, email chandra@unipma.ac.id. 1. Introduction atau pendahuluan. Di dalam pendahuluan terdapat pertama, burning issue, yaitu writing is the most difficult language skill. Selanjutnya, next, research problem. Teaching writing is not an easy thing. Many elementary school students whose writing skills are still low. There are still many elementary school students who still find it difficult to write. Next, relevant literatur. Supriyadi 1992 halaman 182 stated that the SAS method is a method that begins teaching by first presenting the sentence structure in its entirety, then the sentence is analyzed and finally returned to its original form. The aim of the research. This study aims to determine the implementation of the use of the SAS Structural Analytic Synthetic Method in learning Indonesian writing at the beginning of elementary school student. Next, ada literatur review. Menurut Supriyadi 1992 halaman 182, the SAS method is a method that begins teaching by first presenting the sentence structure in its entirety, then the sentence is analyzed and finally returned to its original form. Menurut Darmiati Juhdi dan Budi Asih 2001 halaman 75, the initial writing activity using the SAS method carried out through the following steps. 1. The teacher writes a simple sentence. After that, the sentence is read. Student copy it. 2. The sentence is described into words. After reading, student copy the words as the teacher did. 3. The words in the sentence are broken down into their syllables. After reading, student copy the terms as the teacher does. 4. The syllables are broken down again into their letter. Student copy as the teacher does. 5. After the teacher gives further explanation, the letters are assembled again into syllables. Students do what the teacher does. 6. After all students have finished, the teacher assembles the syllables into words the student copy. Finally, 7. The words are strung together again so that it becomes a sentence as before. Student do the same as teacher. Next, ada research method atau metode penelitian. Research method. The approach used in the research is a research with a qualitative descriptive approach. In descriptive research do not manipulative or give certain treatment to variables, but all activities, circumstances, even component aspect and variable run as they are. Bogdan and Tyler in Moyloeng 2007 halaman 4 define qualitative research as a research procedure that produce descriptive data in the form of written or spoken word from people and observed behavior from phenomena that occur. Next, data collection. In this study, researchers use data collection technique by means of observation, documentation, interview, and test. Observation are observations made intentionally and systematically on the activities of individuals or other object being investigated. In this study, according to the object of research, the researchers choose participant observation, namely an observation technique in which the researcher took part in the activities carried out by the object under investigation. In the collection technique using interview, and researchers to choose to conduct in-depth interview. This aims to collect complex information, most of which contains opinion, attitude, and personal experience. Susilo Basuki 2006 halaman 173. Document used by the researchers here are in the form of photos, picture, and data regarding learning to write. The test is used to determine the result of student writing exercises using the SAS method. Next, data analysis. The data analysis technique was carried out using interactive model data analysis technique. According to Mills and Habermas 1992 halaman 19-20, three main points of interactive model data analysis are data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion drawing or verification. And respondent. This research was conducted at SDN Kedung Putri II, Paron District Ngawi Regency. The subject in this study were the principal of SDN Kedung Putri II, grade 3 teacher, and grade 3 student at SDN Tanjung 3 Bendo District, Magetan Regency, who experienced mental retardation named Ambarwati. The data source. This study used primary data and secondary data. Primary data used in the form of transcript of interview, the effect of the archive storage system of Suara Merdeka newspaper on the ease of information retrieval process, and the findings during the research implementation process. While secondary data is data obtained from data collection technique that support primary data source from books and journal. 4. Result and discussion atau hasil dan pembahasan. Nah, obtain at the initial observation stage are as follows. 1. Learning preparation activities. The beginning of the implementation of learning is make preparation before implementation classroom learning. The activities are prepare RPP implementation plan learning according to the SAS method, which will be used. RPP is made to comply to standard of competence and basic competence on the Indonesian language learning syllabus class 1. The them choose is work and entertainment, while the standard of competence use number 8 writes the beginning with vertical letters, cursive, talk, date, and copy activities. For competence, the base is number 8. 1. Write a sentence, simple teacher dictated by the letter straight up, and the indicator include able to copy sentence into writing cursive, able to use the letter capital and writing someone's name with cursive writing, able to write in cursive writing. The purpose of learning among other students and can copy sentence into cursive writing. Student can use capital letters and write someone name in upright writing continue. Student can write dictation with cursive writing. 2. Implementation of learning in class SAS method implementation Indonesian subject class 1 student. This is held on Thursday. When implementation of learning, all students are present is 20 students. Teacher implementation learning to write according to implementation of learning that has been made. Planning stage of implementation learning is divided into 3 activities, namely preliminary activities, core activities, and closing activity. A. Preliminary activities. In the preliminary activity step, the first thing the teacher does is lead students to pray together, then do attendance and doing class conditioning, that is ask students to prepare books and stationery on the table. After that, teacher embraced appreciation with hold a Q&A about the work of parents of students and regarding student aspiration. The core activities. The core activities are carried out after preliminary activities. Among other steps, first, the teacher starts reading a story about one the jobs that is all around is farming. After that, teaching prepares learning media in the form of image relate to the story is a picture about Mr. Tani and activities carried out by the farmer. After the story has been read and the students have observing the media indicated by teacher, the teacher write one sentence. What in the story on the blackboard by using vertical letters continue. Students observe the teacher while write on the blackboard. Then students start writing the writing in the book. Write each student. After that, teaching writes labels as a description of the word and writing the letter as a description of the syllables. While write those letters, the teacher to explain to students how they decipher syllables and letter. After that, students write the letter in their notebooks. The teacher also combines letters into syllables and forms syllables into words that those words combine into sentence. After teacher finish writing and explaining, student write letter combination in their notebook. Teacher continue to supervise and guide students who are still having trouble and write. After that, the teacher gave a worksheet student to copy loose writing to in cursive writing. Teacher continue to guide student in work on worksheet. And C, closing activity. In this closing activity, the teacher gives a brief review about today's learning. Beside the teacher to ask questions to student. Activities carried out by the teacher in the closing activity that students together with the teacher make conclusion of the material that has been studied. 3. Writing evaluation result. In language learning activities Indonesian, the writing average is 81,75% of the 20 students. The lowest value that this grade 1 student obtained is 75 and the value of the highest is 90. Student will get the value of 70. There are 2 students. Student will get the value of 75. There are 5 students. Student will get the value of 80. There are 2 students. Student will get the value of 85. There are 6 students. Student will score 90. There are 5 students. Based on the KKM that has been determined is 75, then it can be concluded that there are 90% of students have reached the grade complete the reach the KKM score, while 10% of students still have not reached the complete score or still below the KKM value. Next, conclusion atau kesimpulan. Conclusion. Based on the implementation of SAS method in Indonesian subject to train writing skill in first grade student of Tanjung Dua State Elementary School, Bendo District, Magetan Regency, this has been running according to the learning plan contained in the RPP Learning Implementation Plan. It can be concluded that there are 90% of students who have achieved the complete score or achieved the KKM value. 10% of students still have not achieved the complete score or are still below the KKM score. Yes, mungkin itu yang dapat saya sampaikan. Mohon maaf apabila basi banyak kekurangan. Terima kasih banyak, semoga bermanfaat. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.